But right now, Ricky in my brain. So I'm not even take up here and dark Candy don't make a rude to you and take out Ricky problem for me. You see, Flitters knows man with the on my page when name Ricky Cadil. Man make me come on mobile. Like my eye glare, I'm careless. Or may I eat that blood clot girl. You can't take top blood clot girl and think you can flop. Me, I want to Ricky. Shame him dirty blood clot out at the airport. It's sweet me say. And when him say me forgot something, my mother, I see him mother there. Like him never know, him no know say, wait then, let me tell you where reach Ricky now. So the hide where him hide him mother and split, I want to go over this now, cause me not go pick them up so them split. Him feel like said, alright for him tell me if I go suck him mother. Yes, so I say, go suck your big thinking mama over there. So see your mama there? Your mama pussy big and think as she you for go suck. And at that time him tell me man kick me up. The man angle me, you know, me no remember some of them. Him angle me. But through my terrible, and it no matter how you angle me, can't angle for angle, and that's the difference with me now. The moral of the story is, yeah, official girl want you see somebody say you stink, don't go to your bed and make it auntie. Tell them back to them stink, them rotten and them rank. You understand? So by you doing that, you defend yourself. So when you lie down, not aunt you. But I think that's long say because of society and me go lose followers. I prefer lose every blood clot followers and sit down in my bed and sleep good. Ricky, you disrespect the queen. And a lot of people on the scene see that. I didn't approach you wrongfully, which I would never, because me they stranded away for you for 3 blood clot hours to come out of the airport. So me couldn't this you. Me say you near Ricky? I said no, I walk. No, we don't want him walk. I come and say Ricky, you tell me say no, you make me come so far. Hey God, just something. Me and do it there. Me and do it never left yet. Leave me and my husband alone. No, I can't get my husband either. I could have talked till that kid now come move on a blood clot and I do like a cocky cooling and I go like say, I can't cool it down, I can't cool it down on a Spice. Spice, pick up your nice black chocolate skin self, my girl. Move on a blood clot and leave me a Spice alone. Spice are my best friend. I don't give a fucking Spice one like me like street. I'm up with me not have no plan B or no plan C. And the more I think about it, remember the man done me a good thing, me terrible. The man going bad for me, you know. So in my right sense of mind now, you know me I want terrible, awful, vulgar, blood clot woman and you say you want my railway and tell her you come in at the airport, come deal with me, sir. Ricky, right now, the whole community is supposed to ring off your phone. All the girl them where you this. Because the way how you talk to me, you don't have no respect for your woman, baby. You're nice to come out where you say, oh, your mother a nurse. And you keep party for your mother the 12 and how your mother love me and them adore me. Your nurse mother, you stand up in front. You wear no dirty blood clot queen and all I don't want to tell me some awful. I tell a big woman like me. She gonna suck my mother. That not about me, I'm just glad you tell me blood clot that. If him never tell me that, I wouldn't tell him about him, mother. I'm not so disrespectful, you know. But it's when you diss me, maybe many disrespectful. You say, I see the woman stand up there, hear him tell me the big suck your mother. I say, go suck your big thinking pussy mama where they right there, so. Feel good. I feel good. All if I'm dead tomorrow, I go, I'm a funeral, all who can go and say, Queenie satisfy herself. She defend herself. And me could sleep tonight if me didn't make cricket. When the police say if I want to charge him, if I want to press charge, I'm going to say yes. I'm going there for say any blood clotting or anything, because I want back my money. So if I have to press the charge to get back my 10 grand, I'm going to press the charge. You send me hear the people them a tell lie. Me not go through that for 10 grand, my dad. Me bigger than that. I want, you know. I no look out for Ricky and I extort him dirty blood clot. Every time when I see him, I remember son, I love when a queen said, Ricky, I want him to you. I want him to you, Ricky.